After plenty of hype and social media chatter, the bell has finally been rung on this championship match.
The time for talk is over. These superstars are ready to settle this and determine who gets to hold the title.
Placed in the corner. She returns the favor there. Oh, wicked clothesline. Corkscrew senton.
Incredible. And don't just look at that as showing off. The revolution involved in that move makes the impact so much more devastating. She begins to stir back up, but doesn't look good.
Great counter, impressive ring IQ on display there.
Kinshasa.
Oh, man. Punching their way out of that one.
Round. A submission move coming here. The accordion rack is in. Trouble! In trouble! Tap out! She's got...
She's in trouble. And that's one way out of it.
Ooh, she just turned it around.
A counter answered by another counter. And both athletes showing that they have each other's number.
Gory slam!
Nicely done.
The challenger eating up some damage.
She still has a lot of time to recover, though. Back and forth, looking for the advantage here.
She's looking to go top rope.
To the sky. Good Lord. Taking flight.
And that was a collision you don't want to be on the receiving end of.
Came down like a wrecking ball on a cinder block. Precarious position here.
Electric chair to the face buster. Oh, wicked clothesline. A corkscrew senton.
Incredible.
Oh my goodness, diving moonsault. Just a devil-may-care attitude on full display.
Going for broke, and it pays off.
And a heck of a DDT we just witnessed.
She was clearly waiting for that.